For more than 2 decades, Leidos has stood alongside the Children's Inn, supporting families facing some of the toughest battles of their lives. We're proud to help make the Inn a second home, one filled with hope, healing, and heart.
Every time I walk through the doors of the Children's Inn, I'm reminded of why we're so committed to this partnership. Families travel from all over the world seeking groundbreaking treatments for rare diseases. While NIH provides the science, the Inn offers something just as essential: comfort, connection, and a place where laughter and love are always within reach. That sense of home fuels our passion at Leidos and inspires everything we do.
Our commitment to the Inn goes beyond financial support. It's personal. We're there volunteering at family dinners, serving on event committees, and championing the Building Extraordinary Capital campaign. Whether it's a shared meal or a major milestone, we want to ensure the Inn remains a sanctuary where families can focus on what truly matters: their child's health and recovery.
The Children's Inn shows what happens when innovation and compassion come together. It's a place where resilience grows and hope becomes a path forward. That's why we're here, to help families facing the unimaginable build brighter futures.
At its core, the Children's Inn reflects what we stand for: advancing health, supporting families, and building a better tomorrow. This isn't just a partnership, it's a promise. A promise to every family who walks through these doors that they are not alone.
To the families who continue to inspire us, and to everyone who shares in this mission, thank you. You remind us that hope isn't just something we hold on to, it's something we create together.